Hey friends, welcome back to Little Town Homestead. So today, what we are going to do is we are going to make some breakfast freezer meals. So I plan to make sausage, egg, and cheese burritos and breakfast casseroles, but we're going to put them in little bitty muffin liners so that you can just have a serving at a time. And we're also gonna pre-make sausage biscuits. So I hope you join me for this video and let's get going so we can have breakfast for those busy days and just regular days when we don't feel like cooking. Let's go. Okay, so what I'm gonna start off with doing is I'm gonna start the biscuits for the sausage biscuits. They're already made, I just gotta bake them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bake them, put them in there, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna cook up some sausage and eggs. Okay, so we have 3 packages of this Genio regular turkey sausage. It is my family's favorite, and we're going to ground up 2 of them. So we're gonna have ground sausage, I guess, and then we're gonna slice up 1 of them for the biscuits. So now I have the biscuits done for the biscuits, sausage biscuits. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and put those up, and then I will make more eggs for burritos as well as the eggs for our breakfast casserole. So I would say about 15 eggs, 1 pound of sausage, and some cheddar cheese for 12 burritos. Okay, so here's my confession. I used what is called WOP biscuits. WOP biscuits. I know it's not good, but I have a problem. I cannot make biscuits no matter what recipe I follow. It does not turn out good. I have to resort to frozen and refrigerated biscuits in a can. That's my confession. Sorry. So now I'm gonna get the eggs for the breakfast casserole. I'm gonna do 14 eggs just to be safe. So typically 12 would be good, but I'm also gonna add 2, no, wait. Okay, I'm gonna do 18 eggs. I'm gonna do 14 for the casserole and 4 for my leftover burritos. Okay friends, I wanted to show you what we have so far. It's not very organized, but it is what it is. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 breakfast burritos. Sausage, egg, and cheese, turkey, sausage. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 turkey sausage biscuits. Now I'm just gonna label them, and I probably should put them in a Ziploc bag to keep them together in the freezer, because that's what we're gonna do, is put them in the freezer. But I may just put them in one of these freezer baskets I have, so that they just stay in the basket. So now we just gotta cook the breakfast casserole. So I've actually never done the breakfast burritos like this. I'm sorry, the breakfast casseroles like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our muffin pans, put muffin tin liners in there, and then we're going to put egg, sausage, and then put cheese on top of it. Oh, we're gonna put frozen hash brown, like little cubes, and then we're going to do eggs, sausage, and cheese. And we're gonna cook them for as long as it takes for those hash brown things to cook. So let's do that. I'm gonna clean these pans up, so I made a mess. And we're gonna stick them in the oven for, let's see, around 10 minutes. Take them out, they'll be good to go. We'll probably throw them in a freezer bag, stick them in the freezer. Okay friends, so we have quite the display of breakfast casserole servings. So there's the hash browns in the bottom, egg, sausage, and cheese. We have 24 of these. So what I'm gonna do is I still have a lot of eggs and sausage left over, and I'm gonna make more burritos because I really like sausage, egg, and cheese burritos. Okay friends, I wanted to show y'all just how big of a dish mess this makes, cooking multiple meals at once. And I want to share with you that this is actually my favorite part about the whole process. So this is what the inside of my dishwasher looks like. This is including some breakfast plates from this morning. And this is what I hand washed. Not very much. And the cast iron. That's it. That is all we used. Alright, here's all the food we prepared right before it goes into the freezer. Sausage biscuits, breakfast casserole, and our sausage, egg, and cheese burritos. I will put them in here, and I will plan to reuse these baggies just because it's not really holding anything that'll make them dirty. And I'll look into getting some reusable ones for projects like this. But for now, this is what we have. So we'll stick these in the freezer, and whenever we want them, we will take them out and stick them in the oven, 350 for probably around 10 to 15 minutes, for my oven at least. So I hope you liked this content. If you did, leave us a like and subscribe. I plan to post a lot more of the freezer meal videos. Thank you for stopping by Little Town Homestead. Have a blessed day. Bye.